Hello children. Items required for the activity are as follows. A4 size sheet, blue in color. 1 white plain paper. Sellotape, white crayon, scissors, black sketch pen, Fevicol and some cotton. Step 1. Please take A4 size blue sheet and fold it into half. This is the rectangle. Now we are going to fold it into half. Press it nicely so that you have a nice crease over here. So when you open it, you will see this crease. Now you have to cut it into 2 equal halves very carefully. So scissors are sharp. This will be done by parents. Now our 2 halves are ready. Now we will keep one sheet aside and we will make a strip out of the white sheet. So we are going to measure the white strip like this. Now please cut through this and make a strip. Take some glue, Fevicol, and spread it across on the tip. Do not apply much, just a little is enough. Now, place the strip on it and let it dry. Cut the extra and this sheet is ready for our activity. This is our first step. Step 2. On the second sheet, we are going to trace a circle. So if you have a saucer, you can use that to trace a circle, or otherwise you can take any lid. I am taking a lid. So we are going to place the lid like this and we are going to trace a circle out of it. This circle is ready, so we are going to cut the circle out. Cut the circle very carefully. Now our circle is ready. Now you have to do is you have to fold. We have made it semicircle. Now open it and we need to cut through it to make a semicircle. Here we have 2 semicircles ready, but we only require 1. Children, once all your things are ready, now we are going to make something out of it. हम इससे कुछ बनाएंगे. चलिए देखते हैं इससे क्या बनता है. Now children, we will take our sheet and white crayon. We are going to make some stars here, but हम ये वाला side और ये वाला side थोड़ा सा छोड़ देंगे. And stars we will make in the center. So let's start. Make a cross and then standing line in center and sleeping line in center. Now this type of stars you will make here. Alright, make sure your stars are not too big or too small. Try to make it equally. Now let's quickly make our stars and see how it looks. Now children, we will take the semicircle and make the same design on it. We are going to make stars. Spread them, okay? ज़्यादा पास पास मत बनाना. Children, pick up the paper and fold it like this. Join, okay? Join it like this and press lightly. Now this is the center of the page. So just slightly press and open it. Now take your black sketch pen and we are going to make eyes over here. So 2 big round eyes and put a dot in the center. Now join it. What does it become? Glasses. Well done. Now children, we will take the semicircle, okay, and we will turn it into a cap. यहाँ से आपने इसको प्रेस करना है और इसको यहाँ पे जॉइन कर देना है. जॉइन अभी आपने सेलो टेप लेके स्टिक कर देना है. ये हमारी कैप बन गई है. इसको बना के ऐसे साइड में रख लीजिए. Children, pick up the sheet. Now we are going to roll it. हम इसको रोल करने वाले हैं. जैसे मम्मा पराठा बना के देती हैं रोल करके, आपने उसको रोल कर देना है. ना ज़्यादा बड़ा ना ज़्यादा टाइट और छोटा. We have made this cap. अब इसको आप रख के देखेंगे कि ये फिट हो रही है. उतना ही आपको रोल बनाना है. Now once your roll is ready, with the help of sellotape, you are going to stick it. So you will need mama's help. Now stick it nicely ताकि ये joint खुले ना. Once it is secure, then we will put the cap. Now take some cotton, stretch it, okay? बीच में से इसको थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच करके हम अलग कर लेंगे. Now यहाँ से इसको अलग करके यहाँ पे जोड़ दीजिए. Join it. Now with your palms, just roll it. Slight roll करेंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं दबाएंगे, ज़रा सा रोल कर देंगे. क्या बन गया है ना? इसके एंड्स को ऐसे प्रेस कर दो और बीच में से इसको दबा करके स्ट्रेच कर दो, बराबर कर दो, ताकि इसकी मेजरमेंट सेम हो. इट शुड लुक द सेम. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ फेविकॉल, जस्ट पुट अ डॉट हियर इन सेंटर. अब हम यहाँ लगाने वाले हैं
mustache.
Very good. Now after that, take some more cotton. और कॉटन ले लीजिए और उसको इस तरह से स्प्रेड करते जाइए, लंबा लंबा स्प्रेड. और कॉटन लेके, taking some more cotton, we are going to stretch it, spread it, and little pointy over here in the end, we are going to make the beard. So stretch it like this, and with the Fevicol, apply some Fevicol over here. थोड़ा सा यहाँ, थोड़ा सा on the other side. Now, be careful to lift up the mustache. वो ही ना चिपक जाए. Put one end of the beard here and the other on this end. Slightly press it so that it sticks well. Now spread your cotton like this. Here the beard is ready. Now we are going to put the cap on top of the wizard head. It has become wizard's hat. If your wizard's hat falls, you can put some Fevicol here inside and stick it. Abracadabra, Alakazam! Your wizard is ready. Enjoy making it, children.